Welcome to Sheik Math Academy. In this lesson, we are going to see JEE Main Maths question year 2015 on quadratic equation topic. We are going to see. Look at the question. It is a very interesting question. Okay. If alpha and beta are the roots of the equation, x squared minus 6x minus 2 equal to 0, an equal to alpha power n minus beta power n, they have given. They are asking a10 minus 2 a8 over 2 a9 is equal to what is the value. Option A is 3, B is minus 3, C is 6, D is minus 6. This is a year 2015 question. Okay. How to do it? X squared minus 6x minus 2. We want a10. What is a10? They have given an equal to alpha power n minus beta power n. So what we will commonly think, alpha power 10 minus beta power 10. Okay, 2a8, alpha power 8 minus beta power 8. Like that we may think. First, what we generally do, x squared minus 6x minus 2 equal to 0. We will find alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is minus b by a. It will be 6 plus 6. Okay, alpha beta is minus 2. Okay, c by a. We know that. Okay. Alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, alpha beta equal to c by a. Okay, what is alpha, what is beta? Beta is equal to 6 minus alpha. Beta is equal to 6 minus alpha. So here you substitute alpha, 6 minus alpha is equal to minus 2. 6 alpha minus alpha squared equal to minus 2. Alpha squared minus 6 alpha minus 2 equal to 0. So it is a quadratic equation. Just alpha is equal to 6. We cannot factorize. It will come in the fraction. So if it will come in the fraction, alpha value will be in the fraction, beta value is also in the fraction. Then alpha power 10, beta power 10, very difficult to find out. So this method will not work out. Okay. Then what method we can do it? Look at the question. X squared minus 6x minus 2. Question will give one tip always. A10, 8, 9. Number you see it, just 10, 8. And they didn't give A10 minus 2, A16, nothing they give. You see it, 10, 8, 9. There is some, they are giving one tip to do it. Here what is this? X squared minus 6x minus 2. Power 2, power 1, power 0. Here 8, 9, 10. Okay, there is some relationship. Let us do it. Okay, x squared minus 6x minus 2 equal to 0. Alpha is one root. So alpha squared minus 6 alpha minus 2 is equal to 0. Then beta is another root. Beta squared minus 6 beta minus 2 equal to 0. Okay. Now we want power 8, 9, 10. Here 2 power 1 power 0 is there. So better multiply with alpha power 8. Okay. Alpha power 10 minus 6 alpha power 9 minus 2 alpha power 8 equal to 0. Alpha power 8 is 0. Beta power 10. Here I am multiplying with the beta power 8. Minus 6 beta power 9 minus 2 beta power 8 equal to 0. Now you see it in our question, power 10, 9, 8 is there. That we came. Subtract alpha power 10 minus beta power 10 minus 6 alpha power 9 beta power 9 minus 2 alpha power 8 minus beta power 8 equal to 0. What is alpha power n minus beta power n? They have given an. So what is this one? A10 minus 6 A9 minus 2 A8 equal to 0. A10 minus 2A8 is equal to 6A9. Okay. A10 minus 2A8 divided by, our question is 2A9. 2A9. Here also 2A9. What will happen? Equal to 3. Very simple question. It doesn't look like JEE Main question if you know how to solve it. Okay, I am dividing 2A9 in both left hand side, right hand side. If it is left hand side, it comes to the question. Right hand side, we will get the answer. Answer is 3. 3 is the one of the answers. Option A. Got it? The only thing we have to take it alpha power 8. This is the game changer. We have to multiply with the alpha power 8. That's all. This step, if you are able to do it, this sum is simple one. Copy down. Okay. Thank you for watching. Keep watching. Study well.